How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to sell your items or products in Facebook Marketplace, just simply open your Facebook app and after that tap to this house icon, which is the icon for Marketplace. And after you go in here, you are gonna see a bunch of options. You just simply need to select the option of sell, which will be into the top left side. Tap to sell button and after that you will see your overview of the seller profile. You just simply need to tap to this create listing button and after that you can create a new listing depending on what item you want to sell. If you want to sell some random items, just simply select the first option. If you want to sell the vehicle, select the second option, or if you want to sell a property or you want to rent a property, select third option. I'm selecting the first option right here, and once you select any of those options, you will see this page where you can add the product details, including the photos of the product that you want to sell and a suitable title for the product that you want to sell. And then you need to select price, category, and the condition of the product, and a description describing your product that you want to sell. And after that you can also change location, and you can also hide the post from your Facebook friends if you don't want them to see it, and also some other additional option which doesn't really matter all that much, but if you want you can come here and change it according to your need. Then after filling out all of the information regarding the product that you want to sell, tap to the publish button in the top right corner, and after that your post will be sent to the Facebook Marketplace for review. And whenever Facebook Marketplace will allow it to post, your customers are gonna view it and they can order the item from you. And this is how you can very easily sell on Facebook Marketplace. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.